Hi students. So today we are going to learn about the chapter applications of differential calculus. So first of all, let us see from the basic what is a derivative. A derivative is nothing but it is known as the rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity. For example, when we are traveling on a vehicle, in a speedometer, it indicates the speed along with the time that we are traveling. So, the length, that is the distance which we are covering in a particular time, is known as the derivative, nothing but. So, it is a comparison of a quantity with another quantity. It is nothing but a derivative. So, the derivative of a curve can also determine the slope of it. So whenever we have a derivative of a given curve and the point of intersection, that is nothing but let us take any point on the curve. When we substitute the value of that point in the derivative of that curve equation, we get the slope of the slope of the tangent at that point of the curve. So that is also a use of a derivative. See here, if y is equals to f of x is a curve and f dash of x will be the derivative of y. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is nothing but dy by dx. So when we substitute some point in dy by dx, that is a curve equation, determinant curve equation, derivative curve equation, we get the slope of the tangent at that particular point on the curve. So now let us see the equations of the tangent and normal. Y is equals to f of x be the curve that we are considering here. So the tangent equation at any point on the curve with point, let us consider the point as a comma b. So at point a comma b on the curve f of x, a tangent equation would be written as y minus b is equals to x minus a into dy by dx at a comma b. Or it can also be written as y minus b is equals to x minus a into f dash of a. That means a is substituted in the place of x in the derivative of f of x. So this is the way we find the tangent equation for a given curve, also with the point of intersection. And the normal equation in the same way is obtained by y minus b is equals to minus of 1 by dy by dx a comma b into x minus a. So it can also be written as y minus b into dy by dx at a comma b is equals to minus of x minus a. So any of these equation can be used to find the normal equation of a given curve. So these are the two important topics that we have learned now, that is the tangent equation as well as the normal equation. So now we'll see how to find the angle between two curves that are y is equals to m1x plus c1 and y is equals to m2x plus c2. So these are the two curves and we need to find the angle that exists between these two curves. So the first thing that we have to do is that there is a formula which indicates the angle between the two curves in the terms of tan. So tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 under whole mod. So here m1 is the slope of the first curve and m2 is the slope of the second curve. So between these two curves, the angle lies is that tan theta is equals to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So when we substitute the slope of the slopes of the two curves into this formulae, we get the tan theta value, and theta, when we take theta is equals to tan inverse of that value, we get the angle between the two curves.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at neatbook.in.